Ever wondered how your daily diet could be influencing your weight loss goals? Well, let's dive into it. First up, we have low-calorie density foods. These are foods that pack fewer calories per weight or volume. They're perfect for keeping you satiated while keeping your calorie intake in check. Fruits, veggies, and low-fat foods are your best friends here. Of course, you can still enjoy high-calorie foods occasionally, but the key is to focus on adding more low to moderate calorie foods in your diet. For example, opting for a whole grain cereal with fruit instead of high-sugar granola for breakfast can make a huge difference. Next, consider the thermic effect of food. This is essentially the energy your body uses to digest food. Here's where lean proteins come into play. They require more energy to digest, which means your body burns more calories just processing them. Plus, protein is crucial for maintaining or building muscle while losing fat, so think egg whites, shrimp, chicken breast, and tofu. Thirdly, don't forget about omega-6 and omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, or PUFAs for short. These fats are crucial for overall health and hormone balance. But remember, not all fats are created equal. Try to limit saturated fats found in foods like bacon and cheese and instead load up on fats rich in omega-6 and omega-3 PUFAs. Nuts, seeds, seed oils, salmon, tuna, and flaxseed are all excellent choices. Now on to beverages. Water versus non-nutritive sweeteners, which is better for weight loss. One study found that those who consumed water experienced greater weight loss and better weight maintenance compared to those who consumed sweeteners. By limiting sweet beverages, you may also reduce cravings for sugary foods, which can be a big help in your weight loss journey. Lastly, don't forget to enjoy your favorite foods. While it's important to focus on foods that promote belly fat loss, you should also enjoy what you eat to stick to your diet. Incorporate treats occasionally and focus on balanced meals. If you're a fan of wraps or burritos, use low-calorie wraps, add plenty of veggies, choose lean protein, and include fats or condiments in moderation. So in a nutshell, if you're looking to lose belly fat, focus on low-calorie density foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, staying hydrated with water, and yes, enjoying your favorite foods in moderation. It's not just about cutting back, but about making smart choices while still relishing what you eat. That's the way to sustainable and effective weight loss.